flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. Oh pay the bills with my love for you. We'd be the richest in the fucking room. We'd be so comfortable till it's only you for me. No lie, I've tried what they offered, they're not who I want them to be. That's not an offer to me. If you're baby, when you ain't with me, you feel alone. And I was wondering if you always know. It don't have to be perfect, I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but I love you better. Flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. Oh mine, yeah. Oh mine, oh mine, oh mine, oh mine, oh mine. You know how it feels, you know how it feels. Oh mine, yeah. Oh mine.
Rugs, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm partying. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. Like I don't wanna chill. I can see your eyes, try to feel. How you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby? Can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby? Kissing you here, fucking you right, loving you there, loving you right. Fuck with a pro. Come baby, fuck with a pro. When you gon' let me know? I've been kissing you slow. Fuck with a pro. Come baby, fuck with a pro. When you gon' let me know?
Tell me if you still love me. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this moment. Then again, I could be drunk. Baby, I don't wanna sound righteous. I got 20 bitches sucking like license. I just any money roll the dice since I picked. She ain't even really my type, and out here she been losing herself to the night shift. She been losing herself, and I get it. Okay, yeah, I get it. Yeah, and you been fighting for your shot, and you been searching for your spot. Girl, I feel it. Yeah, girl, I feel it. Yeah. Oh, you think you got your groove, but you want someone like you. Tell me is you still up? It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this moment. And again, I can be drunk.
Yeah, I know, mommy, I know. It's 2 a.m., no stress. At 3, that bullshit kick in. At 30, you feel your best. I turn my whole spot to crucial. It's crucial the way I left. Upstairs, it's like a law. I love it, just be the best.
I'm looking at her and her starting to turn into you. Now you starting to fuck up my mind. Is it you, is it her?
We probably trapped in the burbs. F29 is my address in case you ain't heard. It's better upstairs, it's elite. I don't make it squeak, make it squeak. I make this shit beat. Don't have a teeth when I feast.
Sleeping this slide through the streets. It takes a finesse, especially this cabaret cheap. Engine make it out the creek. Just leave the gate open. Notice I do, I'm a creep. Are you about it to rail? The nautic is down to the sleep. And are you obsessed by yourself? A minute from there, is this a room for me? Baby, do tell. Tell me, is you still up? It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before.
Let's play a little just between you and me. I'll be honest, gotta use your mind. We can be constant robbers, Tarzan and Jane, Marilyn and Robert. But either way, the objective is the same: to please and entertain. My vixen, my bed'll be a stain. We'll get the spotlight all night. Check every time we play.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Unice hair and I am reviewing this gorgeous reddish brown curly unit. And the exciting thing about this unit is the fact that it already comes with like these adhesive strips in the unit, so you don't even have to use like any got-to-be glued, hairspray, or lace front glue to adhere your unit. It already has these tape ends. It's basically like lace tape that's on the unit. So that's what I have on the unit right now. Now, one thing I will say when I pull this back, this unit is not pre-plucked at all. So if you want to have more of a natural look here on the sides, make sure you do pluck your unit. I didn't pluck mine. I literally styled this unit straight out of the box. So I also knew that I was going to wear it in a middle part. I wasn't going to wear it in a side part or a flip over or anything like that. In that case, I would definitely go ahead and pluck the edges. But because I knew I wasn't going to be doing anything that would show this part of my hair, I didn't pluck it. But you can definitely pluck it if that is something that you prefer. But like I said, same thing on this side, it's taped down. So that's literally what's adhering the unit. I didn't use any products at all in today's install. And that's something that I can really appreciate, because say like, you know, you're out on vacation or you're at your friend's house and you're like, oh my God, I forgot to bring like all of my hairstyling tools. Now granted, if you're at your friend's house, she probably has stuff for you to do your hair. But in any other situation where you don't have any products and you just need a unit to put on real quick, I think this is a great unit. And it's also perfect for beginners too, because you don't have to worry about trying to like find the right product to like adhere your unit, because it just has the tape on it, and it comes with extra strips of tape. So if you want to go ahead and use that to do the entire perimeter, you can, but I only had to use it on the sides. The middle section here was just fine. What I will say about that too is that the unit will actually stick on better if you're not wearing makeup in that area. So make sure if you are, you know, a makeup girly, that you install this unit without makeup. I just feel like it'll have more of a hold, because right now, yes, it is sticking, but I just feel like it'll stick better if you just have like a nice clean surface to start with. Yeah, I feel like this is a beautiful color, and I think it's something that'll literally work on all skin tones. So that's the other great thing about it, and it's a great way to add a little bit of color into your look without doing anything too extreme. Like you might not want to do like a bright red, but you don't want to do something like black, because you know you always wear black hair. I think this is a great option if you're looking to do something outside of just wearing jet black hair all the time and you want a nice pop of color. And it's so pretty as it dries. As you guys saw, I did wet the hair. There is still some portions that are still wet, but you guys can see how pretty that color is. I really like the reddish brown texture, and I did put some concealer in my part. So I just used this LA Pro concealer here, and I literally just like swept it right down the middle just to help that stand out a little bit more. That is completely optional, but that is something that I like to do anytime that I wear any colored hair. It just helps the part stand out more. So this unit is constructed so well. I love the fit of this unit. It's so nice and snug. The only thing is it doesn't have the adjustable straps in the very back that I like, but it does have the adjustable elastic band, which is so snug and secure. So I do like that feature of it. And another great thing about this unit is that the lace comes pre-cut, so you don't even have to worry about cutting the lace off. That's why I say this is a great unit for beginners, because everything is literally ready for you right out of the box. Now if you wanted to have more of a natural hairline, then that is when you would have to like start getting into plucking it. But like I said, this unit actually comes with a part already in it down the center, so I already know I was gonna wear it in the middle part. But yeah, if you do wear it on the side, just be prepared to do a little bit of plucking. All you got to do is put a little water on it and you are good to go. So that's the great thing about it. Now because this is a tighter curl pattern, as you guys can see here, I would say that this is definitely a high maintenance unit, meaning that you're going to need to make sure you're putting a lot of TLC into this unit when wearing it. Make sure anytime that you are detangling your hair that you always start from the ends and then work your way up to the root. You never want to comb from here and comb straight down. You're going to get a lot of matting up in the center part, so it's better to just start at the ends and slowly detangle the hair from the bottom and then work your way up. Try to avoid using a paddle brush on the hair when it's dry, because you're gonna have a lot of like snapping and you don't want to like cause the hair to have shedding issues. It's best to comb your hair when it's wet. I'm talking about like soaking wet with like some conditioner in it. That's when you want to go ahead and start detangling it. And there is a specific brush that I like to use. I don't know the name of it, but I'll definitely try to link one down below for you guys if you guys want a good like detangling brush. You can get it on Amazon, Walmart.com, any of those places, or your local beauty supply store. So yeah, as far as the inches on this hair, this one, I think this is about like a 24 inch. And one thing I will say about this unit, you guys, is that because of the curl pattern, it's gonna make it look a little bit shorter than you know what it is because of how tight it is. But they usually go off of the stretch limits. So you see how this hair stops here? The hair stops like right around here, but when you pull it, you know, it goes a lot longer than that. So that's usually what they measure the units off of. But yeah, you guys, I absolutely love this unit. Now, as far as the density, this unit is really hot. I will say that. So when you're wearing this unit, just be prepared to be a little bit on the warmer side because it is so full. But yeah, so as far as the density, I would say this is like standard 180% density. It's not too thin, not too thick and overwhelming either. I like the fact that even though this is a really tight curl pattern, it's still tamed. It's not like a big old like afro looking kind of unit, and it's not like too overwhelming. But I will say with like the studio lights right now and this hair, I will say it's a little bit hot, okay? So if you do wear this unit, I would say it's more of like a nighttime kind of vibe. You could wear it during the daytime too, but if it's like a really hot summer day, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? That's why I say it's good for vacation, because you're gonna be in pools and, you know what I mean, on a boat or something like that. And now that it's dry, you guys can really see how pretty this texture is. Like, this is so gorgeous. I absolutely love this texture. Really, really pretty. Yeah, shout out to Unice for that. But yeah, Unice never fails me, you guys. I absolutely love this unit. Like I said, I think it is just so gorgeous, and I think a lot of you guys are gonna like it as well. So if you're interested in checking this unit out yourself, make sure you do check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details.